If you're like me and you want to travel just carrying a carry-on so that you can get off the plane and go, I'm always in a rush. Today, I'm going to show you how to pack just for a carry-on. Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Kim. I'm a celebrity fashion stylist. And for those of you who do, welcome back. It's Thursday, which means we're hanging out, and I'm gonna try and teach you and share some of my information that I have. Today is something that is very near and dear to my heart. I am always getting on a plane and often at the very last minute. So I've become like an expert at packing only a carry-on. I have gone to New York Fashion Week with a carry-on. I have flown across the country and have to be speaking at an event and attending several events with just a carry-on. So I actually have another video where I showed you how to pack a carry-on. In this one, I'm gonna teach you a couple of different tips and tricks that I haven't showed you yet. Okay, step one, the key to only packing a carry-on is these. Have you guys seen these before? If you haven't, they're called travel cubes, packing cubes, but whatever, like they come by many different names. I actually got these ones on Amazon. So if you just type in travel cubes, packing cubes, whatever, a whole bunch will come up. I fell in love with these and they actually came as a package with a whole bunch of different ones. So as you can see, this one says on it, tank tops and shorts, whatever, I put t-shirts in it. And then there's this one. This one says skirts and long sleeve, whatever. I put on my pants in it, but they change. So for my travel carry-on bag, I only use 2 packing cubes for clothes. One for pants and so pants and skirts, dresses. I use 1 packing cube for dresses, pants, skirts, basically everything that goes on the bottom. And then I use a second one for all tops, tank tops, t-shirts, sweaters. And that makes it super easy for me when I get to a hotel or get somewhere. I know, let's say I'm in a rush, I land, I grab my packing cube that just has my pants in it. I have another little cube, and this is actually really important. This one is all my electronics. So I was just over in Europe. So these ones, actually I wasn't just over in Europe. This is from last London Fashion Week, actually. But I have these stored in there. So in here I put my computer cord. If you're traveling overseas, any adapters. I put also my cards that go into my camera into all these little pockets, and I zip it up. I lost one. And I zip it up, and depending on what I need, I'll either throw it in my purse or I'll throw it in my bag. So let's get started. I'll show you what I do. So tip number 1, packing cubes. Google them on Amazon, they're everywhere. They're also in a lot of your home stores. But I just was very specific on what I wanted. I really wanted black ones and I wanted them all to match. So that's what I did. Step number 1, get out your packing cube. So in my pants, for this trip, I have 1 pair of pleather leggings. I'm wearing 1 pair of jeans, and then I have 1 gray pair of jeans. This is a casual trip. These pleather leggings make me look a little more dressed up, so I use those. So in here, that's all I have. I am literally going for a week. I have 1 pair of jeans on my body, I have 1 pair of jeans here, and these. Maybe we'll throw a black dress in here. Other than that, I just zip it up. So you guys, just so you know, I'm not teaching you what to pack in this video, I'm teaching you how to pack it. So my pants, my skirt, my dress have gone in here. Now it comes time for the tops. So what I've done, and this is a packing tip. So often a lot of us pack tons and tons of options. You're like, well, maybe I'll bring this top, and no, I really like this top. But what I actually do, if you wanna know what I pack, so I will lay out like my top 3 bottoms. Okay, I'm gonna wear my pleather leggings, a plain black pair of jeans, and then a gray pair of jeans. And now I go into my closet and I find out what are the tops that go with those, all of those jeans. So I actually literally lay everything out into outfits. So I take a casual t-shirt. So with my gray jeans, I have 1 casual t-shirt that I can wear. So I fold that up and I put it in. This is actually a very thin, I won't take it out, but it's a very thin turtleneck, so it's dressy. It's gonna go with my dressy jeans. I've got a tank top that goes underneath because this turtleneck is sheer. In here, I've also got a silk nightie. It's black. As usual, it's always important to have a blazer. On this trip, I'm speaking, so I want to throw this on just with a plain black t-shirt, my black jeans, and a pair of boots. So I'm just going to fold that up in here, and I'm not going to worry about it getting crunched because it is in the bag. So I'm just going to zip that up. The most beautiful thing ever about these packing cubes is that when you put them in the suitcase, when you get to the hotel, let's say you have to change or you get to your cousin's house or wherever you're going, your friend's house, and you're like, okay, we're going out for dinner. And you landed and you're like just in a grubby t-shirt. You take off this t-shirt, you grab your t-shirt bag, open it up, pull on a silk t-shirt and maybe your blazer, and you're ready to go. I'll show you what I do. So I only ever try to pack 2 pairs of shoes, one flat and one tall. On this trip, I don't need any heels, but I do need, because it's winter and it's snowy where I'm going, so I don't actually want to be in a pair of heels, but I do need a pair of boots. So I'm gonna wear these boots, are gonna help me dress up any of those outfits that I have. So I put my shoes in a shoe bag, and I always put the shoes on the very bottom of the suitcase. So there goes one. And this is literally the way I pack my bag every single time I go away. I'm not kidding. I'm giving you the real deal here. There's the boots. Here's my pants in my packing cube. In they go. Here's my t-shirts in the other packing cube. In they go. Here's my electronics in their own separate kit. I don't need them for the plane, so I'm gonna put them here. This is awesome. How awesome is this? This is all your bras and underwear. And if you're the type of person that has like an underwear bra, it's actually holds it up so that so that they don't get squished. So then that goes in there. Same packing cube company, I bought a toiletry bag. So this one I hang on the door of my hotel, my friend's house, wherever I'm staying, and it just goes in there. I lost my mini toothpaste. So that's it. You can see how neat the suitcase is. And in here, I have enough stuff for a week. So that is my tip number 1, packing cubes. So if you're going backpacking, Ryan and I were just discussing, because he is actually going backpacking, these are fantastic for backpacking, because think about it, everything's getting smushed in the bag. All you have to do is pull out your one cube to find your pants, as opposed to like trying to rip through everything in the backpack. So they are seriously a lifesaver. This is my new way to pack. This is what my suitcase looks like 100% of the time when I travel. The next thing I want to tell you about carry-on luggage is buy a good quality carry-on. This one I invested some money in. It's from a company called Briggs & Riley. I use them all the time. This is my only travel carry-on, and it has gone all over the world with me, and it by far is one of the best bags that I've ever had. So look them up. They are a bit more on the pricey side. However, I just find that it has the longevity and the durability that I need. So Briggs & Riley, great company, not sponsored. I just happened to buy this bag. Hey Briggs & Riley, give me a new bag. This is not sponsored by Briggs & Riley, but I would not be opposed if they wanted to send me another one of these babies, because I love it. So now that I've packed everything in, I want to tell you guys one more thing. I never go anywhere without my pillow. I always book a window seat. And I know this video is about how to pack travel carry-on, but I just want to let you know, it is kind of about that, because I put this in there too. So that goes in there, because otherwise I'm like, you know, when you're walking down the aisle and I'm like, my pillow's bumping into everyone. So I tend to just put it in there, zip it up, and then when I get to my seat, I take it out. My next tip for you is I always bring a massive tote, and I always have a bag inside a bag. So in here, this is my wallet on a chain. In this mini bag, I actually have all my credit cards, I have my cell phone, I have my ID, and this I just throw across my body. And then when I don't need it, it goes inside the bag. So bag within a bag, all my cubes, and my sleeping headrest in my bag. The last thing I want to tell you is when you're traveling, when you're packing a carry-on, this is something that you guys all know, but wear your heaviest boots on the plane. Heaviest boots, biggest jacket, because it's cold on the plane anyway. So for me, this is one of my favorite sweaters, and I know you guys have all seen it. It's from Gypsy Soul. I have one in a Merlot color. I have one in this gray color. So this is one of my heavier pieces and it takes up a lot of space. So I just always will wear it on the plane. Plus I have another coat and I'll throw that on as well. So this one I can tie around my waist if I have to, or I'll throw it on underneath my bigger coat. It also works as a blanket. So don't be afraid. All your biggest pieces, throw them on your body. Remember, the key to keeping your bag looking like this is to making outfits. Make outfits, everything should go with everything. Put it in your little packing cubes and do it up and you're ready to go. Last tip is hair. What do you do with your hair when you travel? Because you know at home, we all have like blow dryers, straight irons, curling irons, like whatever, all this crazy stuff. I don't bring any of that. I bring one curling iron, that's it. Because my hair, I just let it, like for sure, the hotel's gonna have a blow dryer. For sure, if you're staying at a friend's house, they're gonna have a blow dryer. So you don't need that. Don't pack your massive friggin' blow dryer and like sometimes you see these travel dryers. No, don't pack those. Straightening iron, if you don't absolutely need it, then don't bring it. I personally don't need it. My hair is like stick straight. And so I just bring the curling iron. I let my hair air dry and then I curl my hair before I go out if I need to. Or I just walk out the door with it stick straight. So just try to decrease on the amount of stuff that you bring from your house. So when you're traveling, make sure all your outfits match, put them in the packing cubes, wear your big items, and only pack what you absolutely need. That's it. This is my packing video. These are my pro packing secrets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope all of my pro packing secrets, these are literally what I do every time. I hope it's helped you and I hope you're enjoying your vacations. Speaking of vacations, where are you? Send me your pictures. I wanna know where you are and I want you to tag me in your cubes. If you guys like this video, remember to hit that red subscribe button down below and I will show up in your mailbox every Thursday and I will hopefully teach you something amazing and new that you can share with your friends. So send me your vacation photos and while you're watching this, I just want to let you know that I'm lying on the beach in Hawaii. So I will see you very soon. It's not about me. It's about the information.
Okay, when you're ready.